Hello friends, our today's topic is ITSM. Yes, the full form is IT Service Management, that is Information Technology Service Management. What is the core meaning of this term? So when we say the core meaning, it means that it is a kind of a set of rules or strategies which are followed by an organization to effectively manage and deliver the IT services. These rules and strategies are formed on the basis of experience, on the basis of discussions from long back, from the very beginning when the IT services started. These guidelines and principles are used to provide the best possible way to deliver the IT services, and it provides a reliable and secure environment for business transactions to the users as well as to the customers. It provides a best way to integrate between people and the technology. Both work together for an ultimate goal, that is customer satisfaction as well as generating profits. Let's take an example of incident management, which is one of the ITSM process. If the user faces some issue, he opens an incident, and that incident in turns reaches to the appropriate group, and then that group of IT department will take care of the issue which the user was facing. So this all things are predefined. We know for which category we have to assign which group, and this all pre-categorization will help the organization to restore the service as soon as possible. If the root of the incident is not predefined, then it will be a faulty situation and it will take much more time to resolve the issue. That's why ITSM processes or ITSM techniques are very well used and help in restoring the service as soon as possible. So I hope you understand the meaning of ITSM. Next time when someone asks you, please quote these examples and this meaning. Thank you so much. Bye bye.